Git was designed and developed by the famous computer scientist who is also the founder of Linux system. Yes, it's Linus Torvalds. So now, what are the characteristics of Git? Strong support for non-linear development. Git supports rapid branching and merging and includes specific tools for visualizing and navigating a non-linear development history. Branches in Git are very lightweight. It also supports distributed development. Git provides each developer a local copy of the entire development history, and changes are copied from one such repository to another. The changes can be merged in the same way as a local developed branch very efficiently and effectively. Efficient handling of large projects. Git is a very fast and scalable compared to other version control system. The fetching power of a local repository is much faster. Next is efficient handling of large projects. Git is very fast and scalable compared to other version control systems. The fetching power of a local repository is much faster than is possible with a remote server. Automatic garbage collection. Git automatically performs garbage collection when enough loose objects are created in the repository.